Are you ready to unwind and embrace tranquility? It's time for mindful reflection. As the sun sets and the cloak of nightfall envelops our world, let's take a moment to pause, to breathe, to delve into the realm of mindful reflection. In the hustle and bustle of our everyday lives, we often overlook the importance of reflection, the power it holds to ground us, to bring us back to the present moment. Mindful reflection is a gentle process. It's not about critiquing or judging our actions, but rather embracing them, learning from them. It's about recognizing how our day unfolded, the decisions we made, the interactions we had, and the feelings we experienced. Let's start by focusing on our achievements. No matter how big or small they might be, every accomplishment is a testament to your perseverance, your dedication. Maybe you completed a daunting task at work, or perhaps you finally started that book that's been sitting on your shelf. Each achievement, each milestone is a step forward on your journey. Next, think about your learnings. Every day is an opportunity to learn, to grow. What new knowledge or insight did you gain today? It could be something as simple as a new recipe or as complex as a new language. Each piece of knowledge is a brick in the edifice of your wisdom. Finally, cherish the moments of joy. They are the sparks that light up our lives, the sweet melodies that make our hearts dance. A heartwarming conversation with a loved one, a shared laugh, a beautiful sunset. These are the moments that truly matter. As we reflect, let's foster a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the opportunities, for the challenges that shaped us, for the love and joy that filled our day. This gratitude fills our hearts with contentment, with peace, silencing the noise of our worries, our fears. As day turns into night, we reflect on our journey, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. As we wind down, let this gratitude and contentment guide us into a serene night, setting the stage for a tranquil, rejuvenating sleep. Moving on, let's transition into relaxation with calming breathwork. Breathwork, my friends, is the unsung hero of relaxation and tranquility. It's a tool we all carry within us, always available, always ready to help us release tension and invite calm into our lives. It's as simple as inhaling and exhaling, but with a mindful twist. Imagine your breath as a gentle, calming wave. As the wave rolls in, you take a deep, slow inhale, feeling your lungs fill with fresh, rejuvenating air. Hold on to this breath for a moment, let it circulate and invigorate every cell within you. Now, as the wave rolls back into the vast, serene ocean, release your breath, letting go of the stress and tension accumulated throughout your day. Feel it leaving your body, carried away by the outgoing wave, leaving only tranquility in its wake. Breathe in this manner for a few moments, fully immersing yourself in the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Each cycle of breath is like a mini meditation, a brief escape from the hustle and bustle of the world around us. The beauty of this breathwork exercise is its simplicity. It doesn't require any special equipment or a specific setting. All you need is your breath and a few moments of your time. As you continue on this journey of breathwork, you might notice a shift in your state of mind. Stress and worry start to fade away, replaced by a sense of peace and stillness. Your body begins to relax, releasing the tension stored within its muscles. It's as if a heavy burden has been lifted off your shoulders, leaving you feeling light and free. Remember, this state of relaxation and tranquility is always within your reach. All you have to do is breathe. Simple, isn't it? And with each breath, you're not only releasing tension, but also inviting calm and tranquility into your life. It's a beautiful exchange, a balance between letting go and welcoming in. Feel the peace wash over you as your breaths become slower and deeper, releasing all the tension of the day. Now let's conduct a thorough body scan to identify and release any lingering tension. Imagine a wave of gentle warmth beginning at the tips of your toes. Notice the sensation as it slowly starts to rise, spreading this warmth through your feet. Feel your toes uncurl and loosen as this warmth seeps into the arches of your feet, melting away any tension that may be present. Moving upwards, allow this warmth to spread into your legs. Feel your calf muscles soften and your kneecaps relax. The warmth continues to ascend, reaching your thighs and hips. Notice any tension in these areas dissolving, replaced by a feeling of lightness and relief. Next, this warmth travels into your abdomen, swirling around your belly button and then rising into your chest. Feel your breathing become more unhindered and relaxed as the tension in your stomach and chest fades away. Now, let this warmth envelop your arms, starting from the tips of your fingers, moving through your palms, up your forearms to your biceps and shoulders. Feel each muscle unwind and relax, releasing any strain or discomfort held there. Let this warmth ascend further, moving up your neck and into your head. Feel the muscles in your face relax. Your forehead smooths out, your eyes soften, your jaw unclenches, and your tongue settles comfortably in your mouth. As it reaches the crown of your head, imagine this warmth radiating outwards, forming a protective, calming halo around you. Every part of your body is now bathed in this soothing warmth, free from tension and stress. Take a moment to experience this. Your entire body, from your toes to the crown of your head, is relaxed and at ease. You've released the day's tension, and in its place, there's a sense of calm tranquility. Remember this state of relaxation, this feeling of being completely at ease. It's always within your reach, just a few deep breaths away. Let the soothing waves of relaxation sweep through your body, washing away all tension and stress. Finally, let's conclude our day with a guided sleep meditation. Imagine now that you are standing at the edge of a tranquil forest, the night sky above you twinkling with 1,000 stars, each one a beacon of peace and tranquility. The gentle rustling of leaves in the cool evening breeze and the soft hush of the world winding down for the night fills the air around you. This is your sanctuary, your safe space where nothing can disturb your peace. As we stand here, on the precipice of sleep, take a slow, deep breath in. Feel the cool evening air fill your lungs, revitalizing your body and mind. Hold that breath for a moment, feeling its calming energy flow through you. Now exhale slowly, letting go of all the tension and stress of the day. Let it seep out of you, into the ground beneath your feet. Let the earth absorb it, leaving you lighter, more at peace. Let's repeat this together. Inhale the serenity of the night, hold onto that tranquility, and exhale any remaining tension. Feel your body relax more with each breath. Feel your mind grow quieter. There's no need for thoughts or worries here. They're like leaves on the water, floating away downstream, out of sight, out of mind. Now let's shift our attention to our bodies. Starting from the tips of your toes, feel a wave of relaxation sweep over you. It travels up your legs, releasing any tension it encounters. It continues its journey up your torso, into your shoulders and down your arms, leaving them feeling heavy and relaxed. This wave of relaxation now washes over your neck and head, smoothing out any furrows of worry or stress. Your entire body is now enveloped in this soothing wave of relaxation, preparing you for a night of deep, restful sleep. As we stand here on the edge of sleep, let's take a moment to appreciate this tranquility, this peace. Bask in the serenity of the night, the quiet rustling of the leaves, the comforting heaviness of your body. This is your sanctuary, your safe space. Let's take one final deep breath in, holding on to this moment of peace. And as you exhale, let go of this day. Let go of any lingering thoughts or worries. You're ready now, ready to cross over into the realm of dreams, where your body can rest and rejuvenate. Remember, this sanctuary is always here for you, waiting to welcome you at the end of each day. It's a place of peace and relaxation, a place where you can let go of the day and prepare for the night. Embrace this serene state of mind, preparing your body and spirit for a rejuvenating night's rest. In summary, our evening meditation routine is a powerful tool for unwinding and embracing tranquility. We began with mindful reflection, a moment to acknowledge the day's achievements, learning experiences, and joyful moments. This paves the way for gratitude and contentment to bloom within us. Next, we transitioned into relaxing breathwork, an essential practice for releasing the tension that builds up during the day. This step invites a deep sense of calm and tranquility, preparing us for the next phase of our routine. We then conducted a thorough body scan, a technique designed to identify and release any lingering tension. This process allows the soothing waves of relaxation to sweep through your body, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. Finally, we concluded with a guided sleep meditation. This is the moment to let go of the day's worries and embrace a serene state of mind. preparing your body and spirit for a rejuvenating night's rest. May this routine guide you towards peaceful nights and rejuvenated mornings. We hope you found this evening meditation routine helpful. If it has brought peace and tranquility to your evening, we'd love it if you could show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. This small gesture helps us reach more people and spread the benefits of mindful meditation. If you haven't done so already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will have access to more content like this designed to guide and support you on your journey towards inner peace and mindfulness. Your support enables us to continue creating helpful and inspiring content, and we deeply appreciate every like, share, and subscription. Thank you for your support. Remember, your journey to tranquility starts here. No matter where you are in your life, it's never too late to begin. So let's continue this journey together. Until next time, stay mindful and sleep well.